if you're new here, my name is Lynn. If you're not, welcome back. I would love for you to subscribe if you are new and enjoy my videos. Also leave a comment down below and give this video a thumbs up. So today I am going to clean my room. Well, not clean, I'm going to organize my closet and spring clean because since we are quarantined, I have nothing better to do. I filmed videos already. I have to still edit them, but I also want to take this time to fully organize my closet and take out all the clothes that I don't use, and you guys should do that as well if you have nothing else to do. This is really a good time to stay busy and do that. I know it's not exciting, but at least you will get it out the way. I know we can't donate clothes right now, or maybe can we? No, I don't think we can. I'm going to be saving the clothes that I think are going to fit my little sister. So I have 3 sisters. I live with 2. One lives with my dad and my stepmom. I do have a good close relationship with them, but they live in Pennsylvania. So whenever this whole quarantine is over, I'm going to just save all the clothes that I think would fit her. She is 12 years old, I believe. She's turning 12 or turning 13. Actually March 28th, so a week from now. The other clothes that I'm not going to give to her, I'm going to donate or give it to my mom so she can send to Ecuador whenever she can. Also, I think I said I'm only going to clean my closet, but that's not true. I'm actually going to organize my whole room. I do have a big bookshelf from IKEA that I need to organize and possibly throw out anything that I don't use, just to make more room because I need way more room. So yeah, I'm just going to organize my whole room and take you guys with me. So I have some clean clothes here and outside, but I'm not going to put those away because I am going to take everything out of my closet. So why put it away when I know that I use these clothes the most, since I just, wash them. That means I'm using them. So I have 2 closets. This is one of my closets. Up there, it's more of storage for towels and blankets, so I'm not going to touch that. But I definitely need to go through all of this because there are some dresses that probably don't fit me anymore or that are out of style, even though I really don't keep up with trends, or dresses that I've worn too much and have already taken a lot of pictures in, so I won't need them because I take a lot of pictures for Instagram, so I can't repeat too many outfits. You guys get an idea. I have to go through all of this and purge. Then I have another closet here. Shoes, I don't need to get rid of any because I already did that, and I pretty much wear all my shoes. I wear some more than others. I definitely need to go through all of my jeans and try all of them on because there are some that don't fit me anymore, and I don't know why. I guess ever since I started working out, maybe my hips grew a little bit more. I don't see it. My mom says she sees it a little bit. I have some jackets here that I definitely don't wear, and probably some summer skirts and shorts that I need to get rid of, some hats, some bags. So let's get to it. By the way, I look like this because why am I going to look cute when I'm just going to clean? So this is the rule that I'm going to abide by. If I haven't worn a shirt or any item in my closet in the last, to be honest, I don't even know, in the last 3 months, I mean, how am I really gonna know? But if I see a shirt and I'm like, wow, it's cute, but I've never really worn it, but I want to keep it just in case the day that I need it, when I talk to myself like that, I'm going to say, you know what, just give it away, because if I haven't worn it in a while, why am I going to wait for the day that I'm going to need it? Because that day is probably never going to come, and if that day comes, I'm probably not going to remember that I have that shirt. So if you feel that way, just throw it out. Just throw it out. That way when all of this is over, or maybe you can start shopping now, I guess. I don't know if that's a smart idea, but you can buy more stuff, more new stuff, and place it in your closet. Alright, so first I'm going to go through this section, which are some jackets, some spring fall jackets that are very stylish, and dresses. I don't think I'm going to try any of them on because I know they're going to fit. It's just whether or not do I want to keep them or do I want to throw them out. I have a plastic bag to throw anything that I don't want in here.
Silent treatment in your cup, baby, we don't need to talk. Sorry if I'm making this hard. Now I'm just wondering where we are.
here is an update. This looks so much better, so much decluttered and cleaner. Also, I fixed this side. And then my sweaters for the winter that I actually do want to keep and want to keep wearing, because some of them are just hoodies that I need all year round, or not all year round but every winter, because just something to throw on. I still have to do my drawers, and this is my floor right now. All of this is for my sister. All of this. There are some winter sweaters and there are some summer dresses, so she can take advantage of the summer items this summer, and then the sweaters she'll just save for the winter. That's garbage. That needs to go somewhere else. That's my clean laundry that I haven't put away. And then this is for donation or to go to Ecuador. I'm actually dreading doing these drawers because I have a lot of shirts in there. And I don't like letting go of my shirts because I feel like I'm always going to need one. So I don't know, let's see. Hey guys, so it is now nighttime and I'm about to have dinner. So I am going to pause this and resume tomorrow. I did clean up because if I leave it messy and then come back tomorrow, I'm just not going to be motivated and I'm going to be more stressed. So I cleaned it up, I vacuumed, and then that way I don't create like double the mess. Start new, make a mess, and then clean it up again. Well, hopefully I finish tomorrow, but I didn't want to make like triple, double, whatever the mess. Alright guys, so it is day 2 of spring cleaning or organizing, whatever you want to call it. But this is my outfit today, and I am deep conditioning, which you should be doing if you're, if we're all in the house, you should be deep conditioning at least 2 times a week. It depends. I know some people can't deep condition often because they have moisture overload, but if your hair is really dry and you find that deep conditioning does help a lot, try deep conditioning at least twice a week or every time you wash your hair. You're not supposed to be washing your hair every day, but every other day, every 2 days if you can. And even if you don't apply any styling products afterwards, make sure that you at least like deep condition for 5 minutes at least. So I finished with this drawer. I did throw away or throw in the bag a lot of shirts, but I still kept a lot because I feel like I need all of them. Like I do use a lot of them because these are just like basic shirts. I have to organize these 2 drawers. This is my pajama drawer and this is my like long sleeve turtleneck drawer. This is how my closet is looking so far, much better than before. This is my panty, gloves, socks, you know, that type of drawer. I forgot the name of it. Okay guys, I am cleaning out my other closet right now, and I have too many jeans. For a person that rather lounge in sweats or leggings, I have too many jeans, but I actually do love a good pair of jeans though. Like I really do. 70% of my jeans are from Levi's and the rest are from Zara, some from Bershka, some from American Eagle, some from Paxson, but it's mostly Levi's and then Zara. By the way, I have 2 of the same pair of jeans. I cannot believe. Hey guys, so this is my cabinet. This is where I keep all of my hair products. So yes, this is it. I have a lot that I don't use that might be old. What I'm going to do is go through every shelf and give away like to my friends or family any products that I'm not going to use but that are still good, not expired or anything. And I'm also going to throw out the ones that are expired or that I've used but they're already like halfway through, so I'm just going to throw those out. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. This should be fun. Not really. I dread doing this, but it has to be done because I need more space. These are all the products I am going to throw out. This is in no way any shade to Diva Curl. A lot of the products from Diva Curl are already like more than halfway done, and I'm not going to keep on using them because they might be old. And at the same time, I'm aware of what's going on with Diva Curl, and I don't feel comfortable using their products anymore, and if you do, that's okay. I still kept their Believe In because I do like that product, and I have never experienced any damage from them. I stopped using them because I also want answers, and until they find the solution or answers to why some people are experiencing hair loss and damage, then I'll start using them again, especially if it's not, you know, anything huge. But I know a lot of people, or some people, are experiencing damage, so I don't want to risk it just in case, but I've never experienced anything from them. So yeah, so a lot of these products are almost done, or I just don't want to use them anymore, so I'm going to throw them out. They're also old, so yeah. I'm going to go through every shelf and let you guys know how I organized it. So this top shelf right here, it are only deep conditioners and masks. Over here we have 3 different products. We have gel, mousse, and texturizing sprays and sprays, yeah, that sort of thing. This is kind of like a little bit all over the place because right here we have volumizing spray. Yeah, they're more like texture and volumizing sprays. I don't use them all the time, but whenever it's like raining, I like to use them because they do like hold my hair really well and keep my volume. Over here on this shelf we have some like refresher sprays, and then over here we have our creams. These are all creams. This shelf alone is only for leave-in conditioners because I have a ton of them, and I also like, I'm a big fan of leave-in conditioners. I usually always wear one. I'm going to dedicate this shelf to leave-in conditioners. Here we have conditioners for detangling purposes and just, you know, regular conditioning purposes. We have a whole shelf for conditioners because we always need that, and then shampoos over here. Well, this is not a shampoo. Oops. Sorry. We have shampoos over here, but I also included dry shampoos and cleansing foams because I didn't feel like using up another shelf for it, because again, like, this is the cleansing section. All the shampoos are back there. So if you guys hear little kids in the background, those are my sisters. I cannot help it, but I am going to clean my bathroom right now because why not, might as well. And then I'm going to work out, and I'm also going to include my, I guess, cabinet cleaning, or not my cabin, my bin cleaning in this video. I am going to set products aside for friends and family, and then also a bin for giveaways, so that will come next. Alright guys, so it is another day. I've been cleaning, organizing my whole like room and bathroom for like a week. I've been splitting up the days. We're taking breaks in between the days for filming and just like resting, I guess, because I feel like if you do it all in one day, you're just going to be exhausted at the end of the day, and then you have nothing else to do. So that's my little thing that I've been doing. I've just been splitting up the days. One day I cleaned the whole bathroom, another day I cleaned or organized my whole room, cleaned my closet, and now I'm going to actually clean my shelves over there. I'm just going to organize them, especially the bins, because I have products everywhere, so I want to categorize them by bins. So one product or one bin is for skincare, another bin is for giveaways, another bin is for friends and family to give away, another bin should be for makeup. So that's how I want to separate my products, just so it can be more organized and I know where everything is, instead of just scrambling through every bin trying to find what I need to find. That's like so much work. So I'm going to organize that now, and then I will be done with my whole organizing cleaning. I am all done organizing these bins. So these 2 bins right here are for giveaways, either for you guys or friends and family. This right here is makeup, eye moisturizer, and face moisturizer. I know this is not a lot of makeup, but I keep a lot of my makeup on my desk where I film, so it's easy to access, but these are just like extras. This is my body bin, so any like body oils, moisturizers, or sunscreen for your face, a water bottle. I don't know why it's there, it's kind of random. And then over here we have my skincare that I am keeping for myself. It's not a lot. This was filled up all the way to the top, and I was keeping, well, before I was keeping all that skincare to myself because I just love skincare so much, but I realized that was a little bit selfish and I'm not going to end up using all of those skincare products. So I picked the ones that I just wanted to keep for videos or that I wanted to use, and I'm giving the rest away to my family and friends or to you guys.